Hi, this is Ronnie, and this is my How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share for April. I have my Beagle Mom scraps. Watch me flip. It is all in the details. And I have some leftover enamel dots. This is all from, well, I did add some stuff, but part of it is from the mini kit Monday, and I wanted to finish working on it. But then I have puffy stickers, so I have several to choose from. And I have some doilies. Then I have words. And I think that's all the words. No, I have these words too. Let me look. Yeah, I have all these words. I doubt if I use all of them, but I still have them. So I'll have choices, and I have letters, and I have plenty to choose from on that because, you know, I like titles. And the longer is fun. I have some scraps. I have like 2 packages with scraps because I pulled out some to go with the girl stuff. I got girl stuff down here farther. But I have these scraps. And see, I'm putting a dent in this. And then I have several sheets. I got some white. I got this one. 1, 2, 3 full sheets of the photo play left. And a couple of scraps. And then I have the girl stuff that I put in here. I put these as a challenge so that I will get some buttons on a page because I have plenty of buttons. And then I have this. It's never been, yeah, it has. I got a couple stickers off of there. This side hasn't. No, I got one. And I'm not sure what collection it went to. It's Pebbles, but it looks summery, so I put it in here. And this one's Pebbles too, so I put it in here. These are odds and ends that was in my summer stuff, and I just tossed them in here because I thought they would go. But yeah, odds and ends. I have these Pink Fresh. They're so pretty, such perfect colors. And I have this one at Simple Stories, and I thought I'd put it in because same colors. Here's the scraps that I put in here that I thought would go with this. And because no, I don't throw my scraps away. This one, I've got one sticker I used, which was recently, within the last few months, but it's photo play, and I'm not sure what the name of it was. I don't really say. Think to remember, hashtag think to remember, surely not. It's probably some summer something. And this one, Fun in the Sun, I think most of the papers go with it. And then this one, Sunshine and Happiness, and I'm pretty sure that one's Simple Stories. Yeah, it's Simple Stories, but it's the same colors. They go really well together. And then I have these papers. Oh, here's more scraps. They wouldn't fit in there, so I have them separately. This one, it's a cut apart, and of course has cute cameras on the back. I got this one thinking I might do one of those clothesline looking things, but I'm not sure. And I do have one of the wood grain. And then I picked these, and they're kind of a cream color, but I thought if I picked the right stuff, I could still use it. And then I have this one with the arrows. Another piece of paper, not a full one, partial. And 1, 2, well, just 3 full sheets is all I put in here of it. But yeah, an Amy Tan one, I think, and Simple Stories, and another Simple Stories. I might have to pull another piece of paper to end of this, but yeah, I must not have been paying attention to how many I got, but that's it. That's my How to Kill a Kit with Style. I'm not sure when it'll go up. I have no internet at all right now. They have been having lots of trouble. I haven't had any, well, yesterday or today, but I am going to go ahead and upload it anyway when I get the chance. It might be late, but I am going to do it when I get the chance. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll leave links for everybody else that's doing the H2KAKWS style this month. Oh, and I do have some like 6 layouts from last month that still needs done. Well, uploaded. They're done, but I got layouts. I shared the layouts in a video and it went up, so I have it up. But yeah, I do have quite a few layouts done with videos, not all edited or nothing, but yeah, I got quite a few videos coming up that I do have layouts done of. But thank y'all again so much for watching. And if you liked the video, hit a thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And of course, everybody that is, thank you so much. Have a happy scrappy week and take care. Bye.